What's your name, what's your sign, what's your birthday? What's your wrist tattoo, Bible verse say? Tell me this, do you kiss on the first date? Don't hold anything back. What's your dream job, girl, what's your hometown? And what makes your world spin around and around? Are you down to get out of here too? Tell me everything till there's nothing I don't know about you. Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Today you're gonna learn how to play I Don't Know About You by Chris Lane. This is a great song. I saw him in concert and he was awesome. So if you haven't seen him, totally go see. Well, whenever concerts happen again. Who knows when we'll have them, might be 5 years. So anyway, but yeah, he's awesome live. So this song is pretty simple. It's the same 4 chords over and over. You can use the same strumming pattern over and over. However, I think the chorus sounds better if you use a different strumming pattern. All right, so before we get into that, thanks to all those subscribers I have. To those of you who haven't subscribed, I'd ask you to subscribe if you find this video, this tutorial useful, okay? So let's get into it. Standard tuning capo on the 1st fret. All right, so the chords you're going to use for this song are F, and if it's hard to play F, just play it like a power chord, and then just put your middle finger down on the let's see, the 2nd fret in relation to the capo, the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, but you should bar it. But if you can't, it's all right. It'll sound. You'll just only do the top ones if you can't bar it. Okay, so F. And then next is going to be C. Then you're also going to use A minor. It's a very easy transition. And then you're going to use G. I prefer to use this G, but it doesn't matter if you use this one. Just whatever is easier for you, okay? So, the way that this song is going to go, I'm not going to teach you how to play the picking part at the beginning, because I feel like if you're just playing it for your friends and stuff, you don't need to. You can just go right into it. So, here's how you do it, all right? So you start with, I don't know about you. Okay, so it's on you that you're going to start playing F. I don't know about you, but I never come into this spot on a Thursday before 10 o'clock. Okay, so it's, I don't know about you is F, and the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down. So you don't have to do the down, up, okay? You can do that, but you can just do, I don't know about you. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay, so you just do down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so that's how you play it. You could play that throughout the whole song. You could play that throughout the chorus. I don't think it sounds near as good if you do, but you totally can. Okay. I'll just walk you through the first verse one time right here. So it's, I don't know about you, use a F, you, but I never, so I never is where you do C, never come into this spot. Spot is where you do A minor, spot on a Thursday, so Thursday is G, Thursday before 10 o'clock, but I thought is where you're going to do C. I thought, what the heck, why not? Y is A minor, and then G after not. Why not? So then after you play through it, you kind of have the break before he starts like repeating the verse. You're going to do down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so it's like, why not? Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, just like that. You don't have to do that, but I think it sounds better. Then you're going to go in the second part of it. It's, I don't know about you. So you is F, you, but I never. So never again a C. Never walk up and talk to. 2 is A minor, you. A stranger, stranger's G, stranger when I saw you. So you is F, you. I had to, I just had to. Okay, so right there you're going to skip the C. You're just going to go F, A minor, G at the very end of the first verse. I had to, I just had to. Okay, then you're going to do the same chord progression, but you're going to go, girl, I know your favorite beer, cause you told me and I bought it. Okay, so you can see that's the same thing the whole time, even in the pre-chorus. Okay, now when you get to the end of the pre-chorus though, you're going to go, but if you feel like talking, okay, you're going to mute, down, down, up, mute. Okay, and when you do down, down, up, mute, then you're going to go to F and go, what's What's your name? What's your sign? What's your birthday? What's your wrist tattoo? Bible verse say. Okay, so the strumming pattern for this is down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so you're just doing that the whole time. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, it sounds. You can play it as you were the same way you were playing the verses, but it sounds way better, I think, if you do it this way. Okay. And you're just going to use the same chord progression. It's still going to be F, C, A minor, G. Okay? So you're going to play through that, and then you're going to go, don't hold anything back. Okay, don't hold anything back. Okay, then F again. What's your dream job, girl? Where's your hometown? Yeah, what makes your world? Okay, so that's it. So super easy song. What the one bonus tip I would give you is that after the bridge where you go, because it's a little bit louder, so you're going to be, I know you like Bud Light, I know you got blue eyes, I know you got my heart beating to this bar. Okay, you're going to play it louder. Okay, and you're going to play the strum like you did the chorus. Okay, but then after that, when you play the chorus right after, I would palm mute it. So that's putting this part of your hand as close as you can to that bridge right there, okay? And so then you're gonna palm and just pluck the bass notes of it, okay? Those are the primary ones. So then on the C, you're gonna do, so on the F, you'll do E, A. On the C, you'll do A, D, okay? And then same with on the A minor, you're gonna do the A, D, okay? And then on G, you're gonna do the EA again, okay? Those strings. All right, so you're gonna go, what's your name, what's your sign, what's your birthday, what's your wrist tattoo, Bible verse say. Okay, just like that. So you'll just do down, 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 okay? Now when you do it, then after you do don't hold anything back, you're gonna get louder. I'll just walk you through it one time, that first part of the last chorus. So it's, what's your name, what's your sign, what's your birthday, what's your wrist tattoo, Bible verse say. Tell me this, do you kiss on the first day? Don't hold anything back. What's your name? Okay, so then you're gonna go louder. So as you're getting out of it, you're on G, you're gonna go louder at the end of at that part, okay? Now, then you can just play the rest of it how you want. It's pretty simple. You can just do the outro as, tell me everything, tell me everything, tell me everything, till there's nothing I don't know about, tell me everything. Okay, so you're just, I would play it the same way as you play the chorus, but it's up to you. If you want to get like softer or whatever, you can make it really fun. All right, so let me know if you guys have any questions. It's been a lot of fun learning the song and teaching it to you guys. Yeah, let me know if you have any requests as well for other songs you'd like to learn. It's been real, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe.